Making friends with the semicolon. Your guide to mastering this punctuation mark. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting English language learning video. Today, we are going to learn about a punctuation mark that can seem a bit mysterious for some learners, the semicolon. It's a unique punctuation mark with its specific rules, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of when and how to use it. The semicolon is a punctuation mark that you can find on your keyboard, right there between the colon and the quotation mark. It looks like this. But the semicolon isn't just for show. It has a distinct and critical role in English writing. So, let's dive into its purpose and meaning. A semicolon's main job is to help us connect closely related ideas within a sentence. It serves as a kind of soft stop, stronger than a comma but weaker than a full stop. Let's see how it works. Subsection 2.1. Linking independent clauses. One of the primary uses of a semicolon is to link two independent clauses that are closely related in thought. Here's an example. I have a big test tomorrow. I can't go to the party tonight. Both parts of this sentence could stand alone as complete sentences. But the semicolon shows that they are related. The big test is the reason for not attending the party. Subsection 2.2. Complex list items. Another important use of semicolons is in lists where the items themselves contain commas. This helps us avoid confusion. Let's see it in action. I have lived in Rome, Italy, Paris, France, and London, England. In this sentence, the semicolon helps separate the different locations, even though commas are used within the items in the list. There you have it, folks. That's our brief introduction to semicolons. They might seem a little tricky at first, but with practice, you'll see how useful they can be in your writing. By connecting closely related ideas and separating complex list items, semicolons provide clarity and richness to your sentences. Remember, mastering semicolons is a great step forward in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.